How's everybody doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty Barbecue. We're back with Grey Mountain Grills, and I'm back with Chef Don Ruggiero from Chelsea's Kitchen. Tell us about the smoked trout dip that you do at the restaurant.
Okay, so what we do at the restaurant is we bring in beautiful, fresh Idaho trout, already filleted, butterflied, pin bones removed. And then what we do is we brine the fish for 8 hours in a salt and water solution. So we take a gallon of water to 1 cup salt, 1 cup regular granulated sugar, bring it up to a boil, let all that stuff dissolve, let it cool, and then we put the fish in for 8 hours. The next step is once we pull the fish from the brine, we like to let it sit out at room temperature for about a half hour. That will let what's known as the pellicle build on the fish. It's a sticky substance which helps the beautiful smoke adhere to the fish.
So after a half an hour, the pellicle is formed. We're gonna put this on one of our G mats. This is the Grey Mountain Grill G mat. I love these mats. They're dishwasher safe. You can put them directly on and off the smoker. You can run low heat, high heat, and easy cleanup as well. We'll put these on the G mats and get them on the smoker. So we've had these trout out for about a half an hour. They form the pellicle now. They're ready to accept the smoke. What temperature are you running at, Chef?
We've got the smoker preset at 200 degrees. Perfect. They're gonna go on for about an hour till the fish is fully cooked.
Perfect. So we've had this trout on for an hour now. We've had it at 200 degrees, Chef.
200
Let's
degrees
take
for
a
an
look
hour?
at it. Oh, that looks great. Is that what we're looking for?
Yeah, fish taking on a nice, beautiful golden brown, and it's ready to go.
Absolutely, and we added this expandable smoke tube in here, and that expandable smoke tube is gonna give you up to 8 hours, between 5 and 8 hours of burn time. You can get extra smoke in there, extra flavor. I love using it on fish and
Absolutely.
cheese. So let's get those off and let's take them over here.
Okay, so while we're letting the trout cool and come down to room temp, we're gonna first start with our base, which is our mascarpone cheese, which is like similar to a Italian cream cheese, very soft. Then we're gonna add a half cup of sour cream. That way it'll give a little tang to it. We have 1 full cup of regular mayonnaise.
Regular mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is always good in dips. I'm originally from Georgia, so we put mayonnaise in everything.
2 tablespoons of fresh prepared horseradish.
A little bit of heat in there. It's gonna add some nice spiciness to this dip.
Yep. We got a little bit more spice with some green Tabasco. Add that in there. We got a little bit of fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon will go in there. Another 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. And then we'll get that all mixed up and combined.
Chef, you have this off the skin. You're gonna chop it up, fold it into the cheese mixture. Show us how you do that.
Great. We're just gonna small dice this fish, kind of give it a rough chop, and then fold it into the base with the chives. All right, once we got all of our trout ready to go, we're just gonna fold that in with the chives, and then we're just gonna fold this stuff in.
Oh man, that's a lot of dip. Can't wait to dip it.
It'll feed a lot of people.
So Chef, we have this trout dip all incorporated with the cheese, the smoked fish. Show us how you're gonna finish this dish.
We just scoop it into a little white dish with some saltine crackers, a little bit of watermelon radish, and then we just finish with a little bit extra fresh chives. You want to try it?
Absolutely I do. Show me how you're gonna serve this.
You can dip however you want. You can use a spoon. There you go, Smitty.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go with the radish. There you go.
Perfect. You know what? This looks amazing, Chef. Thank you for coming here today. GMG does it every time. Cheers. Cheers.